Hello everybody and welcome back to FX Street. We're going to be taking a look at Shiba Inu and this Adam and Eve pattern that it's produced. And it's actually kind of broken out of it. So we're going to be discussing this pattern and the targets for this. But before we actually dive deeper into the technicals, I want to direct attention to the FX Street YouTube channel. If you enjoy the content that we put out and want to stay updated with the hottest trends in the cryptocurrency market, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon. You can also follow us on Twitter at FXSCrypto. If you like what I do, you can also follow me on Twitter at Mangyako with the 0 at the end. So Shiba Inu has produced an Adam and Eve pattern, which typically contains of a sharp valley formation followed by a rounded bottom. So this is a typical Adam and Eve pattern. The targets for this particular pattern is identified by measuring the neckline, if you will, and the lowest point of this retracement here, which indicates that 21% upswing is likely. So on a 6-hour time frame, the price did manage to close above the neckline. So measuring it from there puts the target at roughly 328, 324. So that's where I believe the target for this Adam and Eve pattern is. But as you can see, I've already marked out this 324 level here, which is approximately a double top formation. So you have a little bit of liquidity resting above that. And I believe that's where the market maker is going to push Shiba Inu in the coming week. If you haven't already watched the Bitcoin video that I just did today, let me just briefly explain that. Right, in the Bitcoin video analysis today, I explained that Bitcoin is going to consolidate, which will allow a lot of altcoins to move higher, basically. So the consolidation is like a gift for altcoins. So if you have any good setups waiting on altcoins, now is the right time to start accumulating a position, be it futures or spot. So once we manage to hold above the neckline here, there's a good chance price is going to skyrocket and collect the liquidity resting above 324, 325. And if we're lucky, we could also probably get a retest of 344. But I believe the upside for now is capped at 344. And another thing that I want to point out here is that although this is like an Adam and Eve pattern, it's a perfect Adam and Eve pattern, you could consider this one as an Adam and Eve pattern as well, like a larger Adam and Eve pattern being in formation, right? So if this actually plays out properly, then you can expect another 41% upswing here, with the neckline being 344. 42.8, this puts it at roughly 490, right? So from the current position, this would be an 80% upswing that awaits for Shiba Inu, right? Let's take a look if there are any resistance level from a higher time frame perspective. Nope, I think all of the major resistance levels kind of end at roughly anywhere from 391 to 362 is where like the last levels of resistance are present for Shiba Inu. Anything beyond that, I think it's like a free reset here for Shiba Inu. Right, to sum it up, we see a smaller Adam and Eve pattern here, which forecasts 21% upswing, which puts Shiba Inu at 328. But if you zoom out just a little bit, you can see another Adam and Eve pattern, a larger Adam and Eve pattern being kind of being formed right now, right? If this plays out perfectly, then there's a 42% upswing. In total, this would be an 80% upswing for Shiba Inu. So that's it for Shiba. Okay, just before I end this, I just want to talk about the bearish scenarios, right? So the larger Adam and Eve pattern would kind of fail if we begin to consolidate, probably produce lower lows. So that's one outlook where this larger Adam and Eve pattern could fail. The same thing for the smaller version, the Adam and Eve pattern, that if we do not manage to stay above the 271 neckline here, it would invalidate the Adam and Eve pattern. It could probably progress into something else, but it wouldn't be this Adam and Eve pattern. We could probably get something like this, a triple tap setup, with the first tap here, second tap here, and third tap here. But the point is that if Shiba Inu doesn't manage to hold about 271, the Adam and Eve pattern will be invalidated. So that's it for Shiba Inu. If you enjoyed this analysis, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.